everyone. This is BJ Wagner. I'm thrilled to provide you with an exclusive glimpse into a highly praised technical workshop, Hydraulic Fluid, the lifeblood of hydraulic systems, which I recently conducted at our annual meeting in Milwaukee. The exciting news is that we've transformed this workshop into a fully online experience, making the knowledge accessible to you from the comfort of your own home, office, or workplace. In this workshop, we'll explore hydraulic fluid's purpose, key performance, and operating characteristics, and I'll guide you on how to maintain these essential traits. Plus, we'll look at proactive ways to monitor and keep the hydraulic system in top-notch condition. Join me on this journey into the heart of hydraulic systems. And here's the exciting part. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate to showcase your accomplishment. It's more than just learning. It's about acknowledging your commitment to mastering these essential technical skills.